All right, we had some bullish follow through. We looked at the top of this channel, it got broken. We looked at these previous highs that got broken as well. And right now it's looking good. Maybe it comes to fill this gap. Who knows? No one knows, actually. So you just look to protect profits and protect risk. But right now it looks good. It broke this down channel and it's continued to the upside. Similar to something I posted on Google. Same thing. Top of the down channel. And it broke it on last, what was it, Wednesday. And going into Thursday is giving you plus 15 bucks. So that's pretty good. QQQ, it's breaking out to new highs. Looks good. It gave you some follow through on this candle, which is a great thing. The Russell is continuing and moving higher. I mean, right now it broke out of this channel, so this is also a good sign. And you know, it's coming back, and it looks like it's almost filled this gap already. So it could be approaching new highs. Who knows? But like I said, you just trying to trade here, right here, right now. Uh, did I do the diamonds? Diamond's the only thing that actually looks weak. Let me look at the Dow Jones 30, and the Dow Jones 30 industrials. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Sometimes this happens. Let me look at SPY. Let me look at DJ 30. All right, here we go. We broke the down channel and we're looking to test the 50. So we'll see what happens. Remember, this is a resistance point that you look from the weekly, and you can see that this is pretty much on the weekly time frame. If we get above that, we can approach new highs, but that's all assuming that we have a couple points to go. We're at 15.6. Let's put 15.060, and this is, so we almost have 200 points to go up. So we have to, and that could be a day, but who knows, so we just have to continue to see what goes on from there. We did Apple, we did Google. Let's look at Mr. Musk's stuff, and right now it's looking weak. I have to see if it can get back above this 10. Get back above this 10, we might look at some stuff, but we have in bearish MACD as well. Let's look at Solar Cities continuing high down, and we see that we have this previous level of support around this area right here. So is it going to hold? I don't know, but right here you could definitely see this is a down channel, and if you just move this down and move this over here and move this here, move this here, we're definitely in a down channel. So the down channel is something that I'll respect until it is broken, and right now it is far from being broken, and if it does, it is what it is. So we'll see how that goes from there. We got Bank of America looking okayish, actually. It needs to get above this Thursday high before I start really looking at it. Wells Fargo actually gave you a nice hammer, so it didn't go to the downside, and maybe it captures above. If it gets above these highs, it could definitely be a go and maybe fill up this gap. So we'll see how that goes from there. We have Goldman Sachs actually getting back above the 50. So it looked like it was flagging, but it didn't continue down. So it's breaking also this down channel, the top of this down channel right here. So it looks good as well. So keep that in mind. You have Citi. Citi needs to get above these previous highs as well, and maybe that's a good sign for it. Let's look at the weekly. Yep, it needs to get above this high right here. So we'll see how it goes from there. So we just continue to do look at different things. We're looking at lumber liquidators that might be setting up for another high. We have Away that is actually might be setting up for another high if it breaks the high of today. You have New Skin that looks great, actually. I wish I would have gotten this one, but I didn't. Facebook is continuing to move up higher. We have NSM. NSM is trading sideways, so it needs to break this Thursday high, and then we could jump back in. Let's look what Baidu did today. Baidu is above the 10, so maybe we get into this one, maybe not. We have a little bit of upper resistance, but once it breaks that, I mean, it's been pretty tight for a long time regarding consolidation. It's 132 to 10 points for a while, since the beginning of August. So we'll see how that goes and take it from there. So if you like what you see, you can always follow me at Maximus Analysis on Twitter, and also Maximus Analysis on Stocktwits. So take care and trade them well.